I've created an Illustrator design with 100 icons, and these icons are currently composed of individual little elements, so they're still loose. What I would like to do now is create them as groups. So I want to select these, group, select group, which is very cumbersome. So instead, I'll run a script to do that in very quick. So what I'll first do is select all, Command A. So now everything on my layout is selected. Then I choose File, Scripts, Other Scripts, and then I select the scripts that I've downloaded off the internet. The download link is in the video description. Click Open, and then it takes about 10-15 seconds to group these 100 icons into individual little icons. So we're done. So now if I select this, you see it's a grouped element.